essential fatty acids, and non-essential fatty acids. What are essential and non-essential fatty acids? Essential fatty acids are those fatty acids that are essential for maintaining health but cannot be synthesized by the human body and must be obtained through the diet. While non-essential fatty acids are those that the body can synthesize itself from other sources, so they don't need to be obtained through diet. Let's discuss them in detail. Number 1. Essential fatty acids. Essential fatty acids are polyunsaturated fatty acids that the body cannot produce on its own and must obtain from dietary sources. The two main essential fatty acids are linoleic acid, an omega-6 fatty acid, and alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 fatty acid. How do we name omega fatty acids? This system focuses on the position of the first double bond, counting from the methyl end, the omega end of the carbon chain. Omega-6 fatty acids. The first double bond is 6 carbons from the methyl end. For example, linoleic acid is an omega-6 fatty acid. Omega-3 fatty acids. The first double bond is 3 carbons from the methyl end. For example, alpha-linolenic acid is an omega-3 fatty acid. Why are these fatty acids called as essential fatty acids? The human body lacks the necessary enzymes to synthesize essential fatty acids, so they must be obtained through diet. They are vital for various physiological functions, including brain development, hormone synthesis, and reducing inflammation. A deficiency in essential fatty acids can lead to various health problems, including skin problems, hair loss, and impaired brain function. What is the food source of essential fatty acids? Essential fatty acids can be found in various foods, including linoleic acid is found in nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, like sunflower and corn oil, and some plant-based protein sources. Alpha-linolenic acid is found in flaxseeds, chia seeds, walnuts, certain vegetable oils, and some plant-based protein sources. Number 2. Non-essential fatty acids. Non-essential fatty acids are those that the body can synthesize itself from other sources, so they don't need to be obtained through diet. The body can create non-essential fatty acids from other fats, carbohydrates, and protein. Unlike essential fatty acids, which must be consumed in the diet, non-essential fatty acids are not needed in the diet. Examples include palmitic acid, a saturated fatty acid and a major source for synthesizing other fatty acids. Stearic acid, a saturated fatty acid. And the oleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid found in olive oil and avocados.